Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching Planted once again. This is Kunal and I hope that you are doing well. Today I am showing you how to propagate your succulents. And I have a few succulent leaves over here growing gracefully. If you can see my succulents here, this is an echeveria, that's a sedum, this is again an echeveria, and this is, I don't know.
Succulents can be propagated very easily if you follow these steps. Now, I do propagate them in a different container, but your succulents might shed their leaves on their own and the baby succulents will grow automatically. The first step is to choose a healthy, mature leaf. Just keep twisting and pulling the leaf and make sure that the bottom part of the leaf is still intact, because this is the main part from where the baby sprouts out. Here's an example of a leaf which was not taken off correctly. The base is not intact and this leaf won't survive for much longer time and it won't even produce a baby. So what you can do is keep it upside down for a while and after 1 or 2 days turn the base towards the soil. Do not insert the leaf completely into the soil. Or you can even keep the leaves in a tray or dry soil without adding any water until you see small roots sprouting out from the leaves. If you try to insert the leaf immediately after plucking without the callus formation, the leaf might just catch moisture and it will rot.
So the bottom part of the leaf will produce a small baby like this, and it will grow into a huge succulent like this. So if I turn this side around, there are a few small baby succulents growing. As you can see, the leaf just fell off of the succulent and a small baby is replicating its mother. There are 2 leaves which were fallen down and both are growing very well. Some succulents produce babies on their own, like if you see this mother of millions or mother of thousands, the babies are growing right on the plant. You can just take the babies off and add them into the soil. And once they start growing, they will cover up the whole space in your pot.
There's one more variation. If you look at this bryophyllum leaf, the babies are growing on the blades of the leaf. Do regular misting and keep the plant in bright and direct sunlight. They'll grow into mature succulents soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. It will motivate me to create more amazing videos. Gardening is a great initiative towards greener earth, so let's plant a life. Thank you so much once again for watching. Bye bye.